In this video, I'm going to teach you how to reset Baidu SD card. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the process of wiping the data on a Baidu issued SD card. You will be able to do this on a PC or any mobile device as long as you go into the settings related to the Baidu SD card. So I recommend doing this on a PC because oftentimes the Baidu SD card is very protected. So by doing it on a PC, you will be able to make sure that you can bypass all of these protections and actually wipe it. But you can try following along on any mobile device. So if you want to do it on a PC, first you will need to purchase an adapter, or your PC or laptop needs to have an SD card reader. If you have to purchase an adapter, you can get one of these USB ones. They plug into your PC, and you will be able to insert the Baidu SD card into the adapter. With this done, they are going to appear under the list of drives in your PC. So you will be able to see it here, and you just have to right-click it. So when you right-click this SD card, you can access all of the options, including the option, of course, to format. So when you right-click and you choose format, you will be able to select it here, make sure that the capacity is matching it up with it. Choose any of these file system. Usually the default one, FAT32, is going to be good enough, and then you can label it whatever you want. I recommend using quick format, which should be selected by default, and with all of this done, just choose the option to start, and after this is done, you can use your SD card. If you are on mobile, you have to go over to the storage settings after you insert the SD card into your device, and the option will be available here. Erase all data on the SD card, including songs and photos and so on. And when you choose this option, it is essentially the same thing as the PC method. You just accept that you are going to wipe all of the data and go through with the formatting process. I hope I was able to help you on how to reset Baidu card. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.